So earlier we learned about living and non-living things. So today in our lap book we are going to be sorting living things from the African savanna. So we're going to be using these pieces in our lap book today. So we're going to find the one that says plants and the one that says animals. So today we're going to be sorting plants and animals. So I have a few of our pieces already cut and colored. So we're going to look at each of them and we're going to sort them by plants and by animals. So let's look at this one. This one is the gray goldenrod. Is that an animal or a plant? Right, that's a plant. What about the rhinoceros? Is the rhino an animal or a plant? An animal. We have an ostrich. Is an ostrich an animal or a plant? Yes, it goes with my animals. What about this daisy? Is a daisy an animal or a plant? A hyena. That's right, it's an animal. This one has a silly name. This one's called monkey's tail. And it is actually green. Is that an animal or a plant? This one happens to be a plant, not the tail attached to the monkey. It's actually a plant, and it's a green plant. So we're going to put it over with plants. Now, in our lap book, when we go to put it together, we're going to glue on the flaps and put it here so that we have a pocket for our animals. You're going to do the same thing with the one for plants. We're going to glue on the flaps so that we can store our plants in the pockets. Now, if you want to go a little bit more in depth, we can go to our animals and we can sort our animals. Now, there's different ways that we could sort our animals. We could sort our animals by color. We could sort animals that have spots. We can sort the ones that have spots, stripes, and neither spots nor stripes. We can sort by the type of animal it is. So we have rhinos and hyenas are both mammals. An ostrich is a type of bird. We can see if there are any other birds in our pictures. And we can sort it that way. We can also, when we're looking at our plants, we can do the same thing. And we can sort them by color. So this one is yellow, that one is red, and this one's just green. Or you can sort it by plants that have flowers, have blossoms, and plants that do not. So there's different ways that you can sort them. Once you've played around and sorted with the ones that you wanted, go ahead and glue these down, and you can keep your plants in this pocket and your animals in this pocket for storage.